you get to pick from the list. This is an all-request submission.
Holy ground.
Holy ground. All right, now you have to participate on that one.
Oh, wait a minute.
Yes, everyone has to shout. All you have to do, it's really easy. All you have to do is go, fine girl you are. That's it. Everybody try. Ready, go. Fine girl you are. When I do this, you say that.
I missed the last one.
Very well, my lovely darling, 1,000 times adieu. We are going away from the holy ground and the girls we all love true. We will sail the salt seas over and we'll return for sure to see again the girls we love and the holy ground once more. The girl I do adore, and still I live in hopes to see the holy ground once more. And now the storm is rising, I see it coming soon. The night is dark and dreary, you can scarcely see the moon. And the rigging is all tattered, the sails they are all torn, and still I live in hopes to see the holy ground once more. The girl I do adore, and still I live in hopes to see the holy ground once more. And now the storm is over, and we are safe and well. We shall go into our public house, and we shall drink our fill. We will drink strong ales and porter, and make the rafters roar. And when our money is all spent, we shall go to sea once more. The girl I do adore, and still I live in hopes to see the holy ground once more.
Fine girl you are. Oh.